Hi, this is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. I wanted to share with you today a little bit about smoke detectors, fire detectors, smoke alarms. There's quite a wide range to choose from. If you haven't got one in your home already, think about it. It's well worth doing. Could save your life, could save your children's life, could just save your parents' life. What I suggest on a Tuesday, because it rolls off the tongue, test it Tuesday. Typical example, this is a smoke alarm. This one's got a big button, but sometimes you find a little button or a little knobby thing down the side. Press it on a Tuesday or whenever you like, but check if it's working. That one is. If it isn't working, there's got to be something wrong with it. It's worn out, the battery is dead, or the battery inside is not being charged up. If you buy the battery type, the batteries only last for a certain length of time and then they're dead. Check and replace the battery. Quite often you either unscrew them or push or twist the things off their mounting bases. If you've got a hardwired one, this one's a hardwired one, this is where the wires go in. As electricians, we would put the cables through your ceilings, or above your ceilings actually, and wire them in, and we link them all together. So these detectors are linked together throughout the house. So if one goes, then the others would go. Okay? So if you're in another part of the house and there's a fire, at least you're alerted to get out. Now, installing these retrospectively can be quite expensive because there's a lot of labour involved and a lot of mess and debris trying to get through the house to get the wires through. But in the last couple of years they have introduced radio bases and we've been installing them successfully for the last 3-4 years now. The radio bases look very similar to these and they fit the smoke alarms. All we need to do is have power from a reliable electrical source, whether it be from a ceiling light or a high powered, high level socket up on the wall, etc, etc. And we basically put these in and get them to talk to each other. It's all done on radio frequencies. Most smoke detectors last around about 10 years and you will find a little sticker on the side. I think you can just about make something out there, and that gives you the life of your smoke detector. After 10 years, replace it with a new one, but it's going to save your life. So remember, number one thing, test it Tuesday.